Good afternoon to one and all. Now we are going to discussing another one important topic is Karnaugh map reduction. Karnaugh map reduction. It is a continuation of a Boolean expression reduction. Boolean expression reduction. While we are going to designing any digital circuits in a industrial applications, say for example any combinational circuits or sequential circuits, for any industrial applications it is very important method. Why we go for a reduction or boolean expression reduction? As already I mentioned in the earlier sessions, the reduction techniques are implemented to reduce the complexity in the design of a digital system, and also to reduce the number of wires required, number of switch required, and also reduces the power consumption or power requirement. So here we are going to discussing the Boolean expression reductions by using Karnaugh map method. At the time of implementation of a Boolean functions, it needs some fundamentals about the logic gates and Boolean postulates or rules. Why means it needs or it one this only gives the information about how many number of gates or switches needed, or number of connections is what, how the power can be reduced. Okay, so this simplification of equations, that is Boolean functions, in two different methods. Sometimes it is called three different methods. One is the algebraic method, another one is graphical method. Algebraic method, another one is graphical method. Algebraic method is Boolean reduction. Algebraic method is the Boolean reduction. Then graphical method is tabulation method. Tabulation method. By draw the truth table based. So this is called tabulation method. Then another one method is also called Quine-McCluskey method. Quine-McCluskey method. Kuhn-McCluskey method. So totally three different techniques. So in major classification of reduction technique is, first one is algebraic method, which is the Boolean expression reduction. It may be the equations of two or three or four variables, sometimes five variables equations also. Then graphical method. Graphical methods again divided into two. One is by using a Karnaugh map. Another one is by using Quine-McCluskey method. By using Quine-McCluskey method. Then there may be a question to you: why we go for Karnaugh map method instead of algebraic method, that is Boolean expression? The reason is, by using this technique or by using this algebraic method, we can solve or we can reduce the expressions up to three variable equations, easily. More than that, it is somewhat difficult to solve that. What is meant by two variable and three variable equation? Say for example, the equation is y equal to a b bar plus a bar b bar. So this is called two variable equation. This is called two variable equation. What is meant by two variable equation? Since we are using the two variables in particular application or operation. Similarly, if it is in three variables, means y equal to a bar, sometimes bar may be mentioned like this, b bar c plus a b bar c plus a b c. So y equal to, here totally three variables we are using and its combination, and its combination means what? A, and its combination means a bar. Similarly, b and its combination means b bar. C and its combination means c bar. So this is called two variables, three variables, similarly four variable. It may be x, y. Z is equal to x, y. So the equation or a system or the Boolean expression is consisting of only two variables, that is called two variable. If it is three variables and its complements, that is called three variable equation. If suppose if it is having four variables and its combination is called four variable equation. Okay, so this particular method, Boolean expression reduction, is very simple till two or in maximum of three variable equations, or a maximum of three variable equation. More than that, it is somewhat difficult. So if it is greater than three variables, greater than three variables, that means four variable, five variables, and six variables equation can be solved by using Karnaugh map. Karnaugh map, that is called graphical method. Graphical method. It is also two methods or two types. One is called Karnaugh map, that is a tabulation method. Another one is Kuhn-McCluskey method. So till four variables it is difficult, or at least five variables, four and five, till four and five variables we can use this Karnaugh method, and we can solve it and design a circuits. If it is greater than five variables, if it is greater than five variables, it cannot be solved easily. That means the complexity is more for handling more than five variables and its complements. So at that situation, we should switch over to this method. We should switch over to this method. This is called Quine-McCluskey method. So out of which this method is somewhat difficult because it gives a more number of steps. That is a drawback of this particular method. And then this is a very simple method, tabulation, that is straightforward method, very easy and straightforward method. Then its extended method is called Kuhn-McCluskey method. It is also simple, but we should follow certain rules and regulations. We should follow the rules and regulations. So a Karnaugh map, or otherwise called K map, which is having n numbers of variables, n numbers of variables. That means either two variable equation, or three variable equation, or four variable equation, any variables. Okay, if it is two variables means it consists of four cells, or according to the variables the number of cells are calculated. That means n, where n is the number of cells, where n is the number of cells in a Karnaugh map, number of cells. So if suppose two variables I'm going to using a and a and b I'm going to using means its combination also a and a bar, similarly b as well as b bar. So since it is a two variable equation, 2 power n, where n is equal to two variables, so 2 power 2 is equal to 4, totally 4 cells needed, totally 4 cells. So maybe a 2 mark question in any competitive examination, number of cells required in a Karnaugh map method of reduction for a three variable methods means 2 power 3 equal to 8. 2 power 3 equal to 8. 4 variable means 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So totally 16 cells are needed. That's all. So the example for this two variables and three variables and four variables, we will see one by one now. So here the example is two variable Karnaugh map or K map. Two variable Karnaugh map or K map. So two variables. What are all the two variables? A and B. First variable is A and another variable is B. First variable is A. The second variable is B. So two variables are A and B. So as already I mentioned, it's combinations also. A means A bar, B means B bar. Okay. So here it is the important thing. You please listen here. This is called Karnaugh map. So according to this equation, 2 power n is the number of cells required, where n is equal to total number of variables. So two variable equation, 2 power 2 equal to 4 equal to 4. So four cells, cell number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, please listen carefully. It is a very fundamental to you. If you cannot understand this, that's all. You cannot solve any problem by using Karnaugh method. Yes. So this is the first one, cell number 1, 2, 3, 4. Please listen the numbering of this cell. This is the variable A and variable B, A and B. So two cells, two variable Karnaugh map. I'm going to redraw for your understanding. A and B, A and B. So please listen. Cell number 1, 2, 3 and fourth cell, and fourth cell is here. So cell number 1, here the complement term will come here, B bar and B. Please listen carefully. And then A bar, A, A bar, A. It means that what? 0, 1, 0, 1. That's all. 0, 1, 0, 1. So what is this 0, 1 and 0, 1? This 0, 1 and 0, 1. What is mean by this? Just multiplying this 0, 0. So I am writing here 0, 0. So in my A is 0 and B side is also 0. Then 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That's all. It is a meaning. Okay. So here 0 is represented as bar complement. 1 is represented by non-complement or uncomplement. So only 0 into 0. This cell is 0, 0, 0, 1. Then this cell is 1, 0, 1, 1. So it is very important fundamental, then only you can understand. Then one more point here, you should keep it in your mind. All the Karnaugh maps are designed or constructed based upon the or according to the gray code, as already told to you in the gray code or coding technique. Gray code, this is called one bit changing. This is called one bit changing code. This is called one bit changing code. This is called one bit changing. So all are designed based upon the one bit changing. What is meant by that? With respect to this cell number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the cell number 1. This is cell number 2. The one bit change 0, 0. Here 0, 1. No change, only one change. Between these two things, what is the change? Then between these adjacent cell, 0 change to 1, 0 as 0. Okay, 0 change to 1, 1 as 1, 1 as 1, 0 is changed to 1. So in between any cells, in between any cells, between these two cells, between these two cells, or between these two cells, or between these two cells, it allows only one changes. That is one bit changing code. So The same thing only here. 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 2, 1 1 means 3. Okay, so please listen. 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. Since it is a two variable, no confusion to you, but if it is increases to three variable, somewhat difficult to you for understanding this. So now the same concept, but here the number of variables are 3. Number of variables are 3. What are all that? 3 variables: A, B, C. As I already mentioned, wherever this is there, its complement also there. A bar, B bar, and C bar. A bar, B bar, and C bar. So please listen. This is the truth table of what? A, B, C. It is the output Y. That means 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, like that. 1 1 1. So this is 0 1 2 7. This truth table only written here. This truth table only written here. So all of you listen once again, because this is the two variable method. How we can represent this truth table, in Karnaugh map, or by using Karnaugh map, by using the formula 2 power n, where n is the three variable, thing. So 2 power 3 equal to 8. 2 power 3 equal to 8. So what is the cells? Number of cells is 8. So how to draw the Karnaugh map? Please listen carefully. This is the fundamental. Once if you are strong in this, then automatically you can solve this problem. No problem. Very simple. So this is the three variables. Please listen. One variable in one side, another variable, two variables in another side, similar to this. Okay, so this is the 0. Please listen, the numbering is very important. Please listen carefully. It is 0 1. I'm not writing 2 here. Instead of that, I'm writing 2 as a here, 3 4 here. I will mention the reason why later. 5 here, 6 here, 7 here. Very, very important thing. Please listen. This is the numbering Karnaugh map. If you are strong, if you understand this, that's all Karnaugh map. You can secure full marks in this question. Okay. A, B, C. So its combinations are like this. So B bar, C bar. This is B bar C, B C, here B C bar. What is this? We will see later. A bar A. So 0 as bar, 1 as A, or A will be represented by using 1. Complement term is represented as here. This kinds of representation is called SOP. This kinds of representation is called SOP technique. So I recall this. What is meant by this? SOP, sum of products. Sum of products. Sum of product is called SOP. Sum of products is called SOP. Sum of products. So whatever it is, please listen once again. This is the numbering. Very important thing. Don't forget to understand this. So 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6 to be here, 7 to be here. Why? Why like this? The reason is what? Why this numbering? That means all Karnaugh maps are designed by using gray code. So to satisfy this, that means the allowable changes between the cell, is 1 bit change. one bit change. How we can see this same thing? So here 0 0 0 0. So B bar C bar means 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here 0 1. The same thing only I'm writing here. So between the cells it change, it gives only one changes. 0 0 here, 0 as it is, this 0 changes to 1, only one change. Here this 1 is retained as, this 0 is changes to 1. If suppose instead of this 10 is here, means what will happen? 0 is changed to 1, 1 is changed to 0. So automatically two changes. So it does not allowed. So only we are writing here as, or mentioned as 0 here, 1 2 here, 3. So automatically it can be adjusted. So what is this cell? 0 into this, 0 0 0, then 0 0 1, then 2. That means according to this table 2 comes to here, not here. 0 0, sorry, 0 1 0 0 1 0, then 0 1 1 4 1 0 0 5 1 0 1. 6 should not come here, instead of that it should come here, 1 1 0 1 1 1. That's all. If you understand this Karnaugh map, that's all 4 variable Karnaugh maps also. So what is the things you should to keep it in your mind? Since it's a 3 variable, the number of cells required for Karnaugh map is 2 power n, that is 2 power 3, that is 8 cells, that is 8 cell. That is a mapping here, that is a mapping here. So how one variable in one side, another two variables in another side. So you can draw in another way also, we will discuss now. That means instead of this you can draw the same Karnaugh map is like this. Same Karnaugh map for three variables is like this. That means in a vertical manner. That means in vertical manner. What is that? A, B here. Two variables are this side, only one variable. So here C bar, C. Here A bar, B bar, A bar, B. A, B bar comes to here, A, B. So the same thing it can be expressed like this. That means 0, please listen here, 1, then sorry, this multiply by this, 0 0 0 0 0 0, and then 0 0 1, then 0 1 0 0 1 1 sorry, 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Please listen carefully again. Since the Karnaugh maps are designed based upon the gray code method, so 0 0 0, this is 1, sorry 0 1 2 here, 3 here, 4 should not comes to here, 4 5. The reason is you should follow the or adopt the gray code, 5 6 7. Now you can check or you can verify the bit changing. You can verify the bit changing between the two cells. Between these two cells, 0 0 no change, 0 1 1 change, 0 0 no change. So It's okay. Between these two cells, 0, 0, no change, 0 change to 1, 1 as a 1, no change. Similarly, between these two, 0, 0, no change, 0, 0, no change, 0 is changed to 1. Similarly, you can verify or you can check in all the individual cells. If suppose 4 here, 6 here means it's a wrong method of representation. So I think you can understand what is the 3 variable Karnaugh map. Next, we move to 4 variable Karnaugh map, which is also similar to the previous cases. But what is the different? The number of cells, how much? Again the same formula. Please understand 2 power n, where n is equal to number of variables used, 1 2 3 4, totally 4 variables. So 2 power 4 means 16 cells. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so like this 16 cells. Numbering similar to the previous two methods. It starts from here 0 1, 2 should be comes here, 3 4 5 6 here, then 7 8 to be here, 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. It is very very important to you for solving the problem. Once you understand, we can discuss how to group the cells in the forthcoming sessions. Okay, so very simple, 4 variable Karnaugh map. So the number of variables are 4. Number of variables are 4 1 2 3. So if suppose I am considering the 4 variable maps is here. Instead of this AB maybe here, no problem. AB here, CD here. Anyway you can take. So this is 0 0 0 1. 1 0 comes to here, 1 1. Similarly 0 0 0 1. 1 0 comes to here, 1 1 here. So this is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A bar, sorry, A, B bar. Similarly here, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Okay. So this is the zeroth cell. Please listen carefully. 0, 1, 2 should be here, not here, then 3. 4 here, 5, 6 to be here, 7 is here. Till this 3 variable, till this 3 variable, till this 3 variable. Then after 7, 8 should be here. 8 should be here. Very important thing, please listen. 8 should be here, then 9, then 10, sorry, 10 here, 11 here. Then 12 to be here, 13, 14 to be here, and then 15 here. So 0 to 15 totally 16 cells. 16 cells are marked or mapped like this. Okay, mentioned. So if you are clearly understand this mapping and its cells notification, that's sufficient to understand the Karnaugh map method of reduction by using two methods. One is called SOP, one is called SOP, another one is called POS. Another one important thing. So what is meant by SOP? What is meant by POS? SOP means sum of products, sum of products. The name itself, its explanation is there. Sum of products. This is its opposite. Products of sum. Products of sum.